I just installed my bug screen. So if I want to keep the sliding door open, I installed, let me shut the door, a bug screen. I just have some Velcro up here. It's permanently inside the, on the outside of the track or under the track. So this can actually be left up. And then it has the magnets. So right in there. They stick to the outside of the van. There we go. So yeah. So I can sit in there and not worry about bugs. Alright, let me finish. I really love this idea. Lovely. Keep the bugs out of my car. Actually, you know what? There's a fly flying around right now. I need to go secure the back. I guess I should show you how it screen opens and shuts. Anyway, this is attached with a bungee cord. So just there's my kitchen setup. And I just tuck it in here. So when I'm driving, I don't block my view. This is my bed setup, or stowed away until it's ready to be slept in. It's my bed sheets, emergency blanket, my pillows. Like I said before, my garage is down there and all my extra stuff for hiking and stuff. Alright, so I have my net up, and I don't know what it was called. It wasn't a bee, but it was some kind of mean looking fly. He was trying to get in. He was floating right here looking at me. So I do have this as a backup. It is charging, so I just don't want any bugs in here. Let's see what I have here. So all this stuff I got from the store, and it's all like, it's pretty healthy stuff. I just add water or I stir fry it. There was something in here I liked. I think this sounds good. Harvest, Ancient Harvest. Okay, so it says here, look at other things. This is riced buffalo ranch. Ooh, that sounds good. Sounds yucky. Okay, and it's risotto style riced cauliflower with buffalo ranch spices. Okay, this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. am fully loaded. Everything's secure. Again, can't figure out the hair stuff, but trying to go with less work as possible.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines.